Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Audi Q5. From any screen, we can either just click on nav there, like so, or you can go to menu and then turn the rotary control till you get to nav. Click on nav there, and you've got here destination in the bottom left and settings in the bottom right. Those correspond to two buttons at the side of the rotary controls here. So we'll click on destination, and then you've got here map, favorites, directory, address, last destinations and speed dial. You see there, we want it address. Click on address, click in the center to select, and then you've got, here we go, street, town and postcode, country. Country's okay, so we want town and postcode. Select town and postcode. Then you get this dial, which is quite a good system. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR. Now we need to put numbers in, a couple of numbers for the postcode, and you can see on the dial there you can't see anything appertaining to numbers, but over here you've got 0 to 9. That corresponds to this bottom right button, so we press that, so it's our postcode is PR5 4. It defaults back to letters J S, and then OK. It's gone straight to where we can start route guidance, so just select start route guidance, click that.
Your route is being calculated.
That's it. It's also giving you the choice of 3 routes there, but that's the one we want at the top, so we'll select that.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
That's it. That's how you do it. Now, once you get near enough your home, if you're anything like me, you don't want to be listening to instructions off the sat nav, because it always comes just right when you're listening to a bit of news that you want to hear or something, and it chips in telling you to turn right into your road. So if you click destination again, destination at the bottom, there you go, destination, and then settings, voice guidance, you can switch it off. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in the Audi. So from any screen, if you can either go to telephone there, we'll just go back, we'll click out of that. So you can go to telephone, search for a new mobile, please connect to mobile phone, or you've got settings here. So settings again corresponds to this bottom right hand button next to the rotary selector. We click settings, you've got telephone settings and Bluetooth, so we just scroll down to Bluetooth, press in the center, click OK. You've got Bluetooth on. If you're having problems and you can't pair, do the same steps and just make sure on is next to Bluetooth. But now you've got discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices and bonded Bluetooth devices. We want that, then we click the center to select Barry's iPhone here. If I click on that, it gives you the option delete Bluetooth device or connect. I want to delete it. Delete. Do you really want to delete this? No, that's why I've pressed 4 or 5 buttons to get here. So yes, Bluetooth device has been deleted, please wait. That's it, it's gone. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi Q5. So from any screen again, you can either click telephone there, or you can click menu, go about it the long way, and then select telephone there, click in the center, search for new mobile phone. Now first of all, we need to make sure Bluetooth is on, so there, and then search for new mobile phone. Please check the Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone and discoverability is switched on. Well, it is, so we now click continue. It's now looking, my phone's looking for the Audi system and the Audi's looking for my phone. We've got Barry's iPhone there, so click on Barry's iPhone 11, hands-free, click again. Connections being established. Bluetooth pairing request. Do you want to pair 029971? And it's the same. So pair there and click yes there. The connection's being established. Please wait. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I don't want it to do that because I won't be using it again, but you will. So there you go. Just wait for that to clear in. As you can see there, the Audi is connected. Now, one of the other good features in this, but it's not in all Q5s, so if you're watching this video later and you can't stream audio, it could be because your car wasn't fitted with it from new. But if we go into iTunes, you'll see there, this is showing up. I'll turn it down. If there's no tick next to it, just touch it, go back to iTunes, we'll click play. Then on the system, you need to go to media, which is there. Media, it's looking for a device. There you go, it's come up with mine. If it's come up with the tune playing, if not, if it comes up with something else, it may be that you've got, I don't know, an SD card in or a USB or aux in, but it's showing this. And if I now turn this up, I'll turn that up, and then if I turn this up, there you go. Can't leave it playing too long for copyright reasons, but as you can see there, that's it working. That's how you do it.